Welcome to Anuniverse Double 2. In this video, we will discuss about ultrasonic machining. So, firstly, in ultrasonic machining, a slurry of small abrasive particles that is forced against the work, and this abrasive particle that is forced against the work, this is by means of vibrating tool. And so with the help of vibrating tool, removing workpiece material, in the form of small chips, and the generally abrasive grains which are used are of the grains for abrasive, these are generally made up of silicon carbide, aluminium oxide, and boron carbide. Also diamond dust. And again, this process is mainly applicable, and we can say it is suitable only for hard and brittle materials. So, for example, carbides, glass, ceramics, silicone, germanium, titanium, tungsten, tool steel, die steel, ferrite, quartz, etc. So these are the some material for which this process is suitable. And here one thing is important, that the vibrating frequency used for the tool, that is the order of I write here vibrating frequency used for the tool, that is our 20,000 oscillations per second. And here this is such high frequency which is more than the upper limit of audible frequency for human ear, and makes the process inaudible, silent. And an electromechanical transducer is used for producing this high frequency of vibration. So for producing this high frequency of vibration, electromechanical transducer is used, and the name of this is, and we can say this transducer that is made of magnetostructive material. So all this process we try to understand with the help of a diagram. This is ultrasonic oscillator, and here high frequency electric current it is used to supply high frequency electric current, and it supply this high frequency electric current to the, this is ultrasonic transducer. This is ultrasonic transducer, and here is the feed mechanism. And these are the coils. So here the function of this transducer is to convert, basically I write here the function of transducer to convert electrical energy into mechanical vibration, and another part, that is these are the arrangement. So it is transducer, cone or horn. So here the vibration that is generated, that is order of approximate 20 kilohertz to 30 kilohertz, and the amplitude that usually varies from, that is 0.01 mm to 0.1 mm. And here the transducer that is made up of magnetostructive material, and which is excited by following high frequency current, and this result in generation of mechanical vibrations. And the mechanical vibration that are generated here in ultrasonic transducer, these are then transferred or transmitted to the cutting tool. So here this is the transducer cone or horn, this is connecting body, and here it is tool holder, and this is cutting tool. So here this tool that is made up of soft metal, this tool that is made of soft metal, and it is applied to the workpiece surface, and this tool that is attached with rubber by brazing or hard soldering or screwing, and sometimes we are using hollow tool which facilitate feeding of the slurry through the tool. So the direction of motion of this tool, this is direction of tool motion. So this is the longitudinal direction we can say, and here this mechanical vibration is transmitted to the cutting tool, that is via horn, connecting body and tool holder, and these vibration make the tool to vibrate in longitudinal direction, and the intermediate parts together form what is known as focusing unit, and it is here it is fastened at the ends, and the shape, as again here the shape of the cutting tool that is same as that of the cavity to be formed. So the shape of the cutting tool that same as that of the cavity to be produced. So here we can plot this is workpiece. So here we can say this is the shape of the tool that is as same as that of the cavity to be produced, and this workpiece that is mounted on it is fixture, and this fixture that is mounted on a table, this is the table. So here is the another arrangement for supplying the abrasive slurry. So this is the tank, you can say container or reservoir, we can say it is the reservoir which contain slurry that is the grain of aluminium oxide, boron carbide and silica carbide or diamond dust, etc. So here this is abrasive slurry. Like silicon carbide, aluminium oxide, etc. So it is supplied with the help of this is the circulating pump, and with the help of this pump this slurry is so this is a slurry that is supplied to the space between the workpiece and tool, and here we can say this is abrasive slurry, and this is the direction. So here this slurry that is formed by suspension of the abrasive grains in the carrier fluids, and that is fed to the this is the machine in the machining area by means of a circulating pump. So however, in order to keep its temperature low, a suitable cooling system may be incorporated. So this is about ultrasonic machining, and here are some advantages of USM. So firstly, it extremely hard and brittle materials can be easily machined. Another one, metal removal cost is low. Operation is noiseless, and operation of the equipment is quite safe. Another, the machined workpiece are free of stresses, and with the help of USM, highly accurate profiles and good surface finish can be easily obtained. So with these advantages, USM also have some disadvantages. First one, metal removal rate is low. Secondly, the cost of tooling is also high. Third, power consumption is quite high, and initial equipment cost is higher than conventional machine tool. And here another one, some difficulties also encountered in machining soft materials. And here the size of the cavity that can be machined is limited, and in order to maintain an efficient cutting action, the slurry may have to be replaced periodically. So with these some advantages and disadvantages, here are some applications of USM. First one, it is used for tool and die making, especially wire drawing and extrusion dies. And secondly, several machining operations like turning, threading, grinding, trepanning, milling, etc. can also be performed on USM. Next, machining of hard to machine and brittle materials. And it is also used for producing holes of round or such other shapes which can be provided to the cutting tool. Last one, it is also used for dentistry work, like to drill fine holes of desired shape in teeth. So friends, in this video you have learnt ultrasonic USM machining, the working of USM, advantage and disadvantage of USM, and also with application of USM. If you like this video, share with your friends and students. Subscribe Anuniverse 22 for more updates and more video on mechanical engineering topics. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.